Well, ever since I was a kid, I was very excited. Used to be excited watching movies like Terminator, Jurassic Park. So I've always thought कि ये करना किस तरह है, ये किस तरह होता है. And I used to play video games in my childhood and do a lot of sketching. And I loved art ever since I was a kid. So that's about it. Well, mostly every project brings its own challenges, and the kind of jobs that we don't do on a daily basis are mostly challenging because we need to do our research and development according to that. In visual effects, there's no specific style. We only try to match the style the producer or director is bringing to us. So all it needs is to follow along the lines of that project. Well, mostly we use the same tools that every other studio use. So it's not about the tool, it's about employing that tool and deciding where and how to use that tool to achieve a great result. Well, when there's some sort of a challenging job, mostly the producer and the director come to us and discuss thoroughly before going on the shoot. Uh, it involves talking to the DP and the art director as well. So we all sit and discuss how to go about certain things and certain look of the stuff that are challenging in terms of time and budgets. Well, I would answer it in three different categories. Number one is the TV commercials. I still love the campaign we've done for Pepsi Meals with Fawad Khan, and those are my favorite TV commercials. And in feature-length movies, I would say Thief and Trouble and Qaid-e-Azam Zindabad, because Thief and Trouble was our very first full-length feature film in Pakistan, and Qaid-e-Azam Zindabad being the most recent feature film with Nabil Qureshi. So, and in terms of music videos, I would consider the Coke Studio videos that we've done and some PSL related and different themes related videos that we've done. Those are my favorites. Well, considering the times we're living in, this is the best time to stay informed, because due to the internet and social media, we are informed as much as anybody else is informed in this world, you know. So जो चीज़ अभी आ रही है मार्केट में वो हमारे सामने अवेलेबल है, और हम कोशिश करते हैं कि उसको हम मार्केट में किस तरह लेके आएँ और अपनी मार्केट में उसको एक रीज़नेबल प्राइस में लेके आएँ कि यहाँ पे यूज़ हो सके. Well, it all depends on the producer's budget and the kind of time we have. Since at times you don't need to create CGI elements, you can only simply shoot it on green screen or on a black background, and that can be like the dust effects, the smoke effects, and other things that you can take. They can even shoot on the day. You cannot become a producer from day one. You need to spend some time in learning yourself, because you need to understand and know how to do things yourself. And then you must be a very good team player, because it's a team job and you need to know which artists, who are the individuals who can bring better quality in your project. So you need to like sort of spend some time and learn and connect with right people. Well, I would say be truthful, never overcommit, and try to add value, extra value, when you're delivering your job. Well, the only thing growing I see is a lot of confusion about AI. So I would say AI is a tool. It will remain a tool. Just use it as a tool, and it's going to be fine. Well, my favorite tool is my imagination and my ideas actually. So I would not like name any software. Well, visual effects is the art of adding computer generated imagery to a real footage and matching with its camera lens, its camera movement, the light, the color, the contrast, and making it a seamless part of that footage.